Hi there, happy to see you in our third video from the masterclass Coaching as a Profession from First Step to First Clients. And today we will talk about who is a coach according to international standards. So let's begin. And according to definition of ICF, International Coaching Federation, coaching is a partnership with clients in thought-provoking and creative process that inspires them to maximize their personal and professional potential. And so main thing we just need to remember here is in coaching, we every time have like partnership. Coach is not above or under the client, but they are together in this journey with the client. And what else I want to share? So if you would go to the official website of International Coaching Federation, you could see that there is ICF Strategic Alliance, right? Which was founded in 2012. And this global coaching and mentoring alliance incorporate three main, the biggest federation of coaching. Like we see here is like Association for Coaching, AC. The second one is the European Mentoring and Coaching Council, EMCC, and the last one is ICF, International Coaching Federation. So it's also interesting. You could read more about that by yourself. If to talk about the coaching, it's a profession that helps others become happier without forgetting yourself, right? So I could also add here that coach every time become also happier and enjoy their lives because they not only helping others, but they also grow by themselves. As well as skills, coaches also improve their skills for effective communication. And it have influence not only in their professional stuff, but as well in their private life. For example, when they communicate with their loved ones, with colleagues, with the teams, for example, their friends, etc. Right? So thanks to coaching, because we have 8 competencies in coaching. Some of them are like about active listening, communication, right? Building trust, etc. All these skills help us to communicate better in our private life as well. Also, coaching improves the quality of your own life, contributing to happiness and personal growth. Right? Like I said, coaching it's not only to get this profession for one time, right? But it's lifelong learning. So even when you will working with your clients, you will all the time develop by yourself. So it's all the time your personal growth as well. And let's go next. So who is a coach according to the international standards? Let's see. A coach is a trainer of awareness who helps you understand what truly matters and change your life for the better. So very often we could hear that coaches are the trainers of awareness or the trainers of accountability, right? Because coaches helps other people like our clients to understand what really they want, what are their goals, how they could achieve them, and also help to look to the situation from different perspectives, right? And it's also make it a little bit more aware about themselves, about their situations, right? Maybe in comparing to some metaphor, is like putting some light on something, right? So you just see now it better, more clear, and understand what you really need to do to achieve it. And I also want to add here that sometimes we are joking with my colleagues that coaching is a lazy profession that brings joy, right? Because it's also about that when the coach is really lazy, lie on the deck chair, right? For example, it's like metaphor. So not working too much on session, but in the same time, it's the environment where the clients could be themselves, be accepted, be open, and to work by themselves, thinking in a new way. it's only the very, very good benefit for client when the coach is like not working too much, but ask some powerful question, not provide them for right answers, etc. Right? So it's also for us a big advantage here as a coaches. Also, coaches does not judge the client, their requests, their situations, their goals, decisions, actions, etc. So we do not have any responsibility to judge in our everyday work because we do not have some tools for that, right? Coaches do not have some tools to judge. And from the other side, it's very great opportunity for client because clients feel that they are accepted here, right? So they could be themselves. They do not to pretend like and to put some mask on them that could be vulnerable, that could be powerful, that could be real them in the sessions, right? And it's very nice. And of course, that creates trust and let them more space to develop and to open this potential, right? So it's very good thing for a coach to have this skill non-judgmental, right? To be non-judgmental in their session. And what else? Coaches does not give advice to the client or lead them with question towards the right answer, right? So coaches are more like asking and are so interesting about what is going on, why like that, what they are thinking about, what does it mean for them, but not like lead some question to so they will help to answer the correct answer, right? Because it's not like the task here for coaches. So it's about the openness to the every next turn that could be in every session, right? So coaches also are the masters to work in unknown situation, unknown environment, because we never know what will be next, how will react our client, what will be next questions, and how, for example, what they will answer, etc. Right? So it's really very funny, and it's not about advising or consulting our clients. Also, it's about that coach unconditionally believes in and supports the client, accepting them as they are, like I already said. So it's really, I love the phrase of Jean-François Cuisine is a very, very great master certified coach. He said that coaching is act of unconditional love, right? And I also like that because we need to believe in people and unconditional, right? Also, coach does not rely on tools. Coaches work through their own presence and personality. So also I will explain you a little bit later in this video why coach does not rely on tools. And what does it mean to work with their own presence in the moment and their personality. And also, coach demonstrates the 8 core coaching competencies according to the international standards. So we do not work with tools, but all our main base that are important in our coaching sessions, there are 8 core coaching competencies, and I will also present it to you later.